Okay, so I got my money. You can go fuck yourself. My stomach, Daddy. My stomach. I got money, bitches. I got $40. Oof. I got a Hawk Tuah too. Woo! I got a Hawk Tuah. Hawk Tuah. I'm gonna Hawk Tuah all over your cock, Daddy. You wanna watch? Watch me while I do it to you, baby. I just shit myself. Yeah, I see the ugliest motherfucker. Ow! Ow! I rolled my ankle. Shit. Ow! I actually did. What the fuck? Holy shit. I rolled the fuck out of my ankle just now. God damn it. I rolled my ankle. Yeah. My nipples are so hard, Daddy. My nipples are so hard for you. Do you love it? Oh, shit. Fuck me, Daddy. I love gay people. Yay! Yay! Cock. Yo, where's my fucking other pair of socks? I swear to God, if someone stole them, I'm gonna kick their ass. I'm gonna kill them. Oh my God, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't have said that. Oops. Oops. Ain't nothing wrong with me. There's something wrong with you, though. We gotta open my package. Because I'm excited to see this fucking package. I'm excited. This is from, the Comfort brand. Yeah, it's from the Comfort brand. I'm excited. I'm excited. Bitch. I will end you. Aye. You're gonna end me? I'm scared. Ooh, I'm so scared. I'm so fucking scared of you, yeah. I'm not scared of you. You're a pussy. I can beat your ass easily. I can fuck you up. This is a good brand. Aren't they cute? They're gonna be so cute in the summertime. I got the shorts. I got the whole matching set, motherfucker. I got the whole motherfucking set. My mom spent a lot of money on me for the past few days. She's been spending quite a bit on me, you know. She's nice. Once in a while. We gotta hurry this video up. We gotta hurry it up. No, we don't actually. We don't have to hurry it up. Sweatpants. Yes, bitch. With the logo. Comfort. C-O-M-F-R-T. Comfort. And the inside of them, very soft. We'll be purchasing again. We'll definitely buying another outfit from them. This is the second one I got. This is the second outfit. The first one is, I got the whole matching set of, this is the pastel collection. The light blue, like a light pastel blue. It's cute. It's cute. Oh shit. We got a hoodie too. We got a hoodie. We got a hoodie because I love hoodies. And yeah. Okay. Alright. Shit, that's a nice hoodie. I gotta throw some shit out. These little packs that are toxic to animals and humans. So I gotta throw these out. I don't want my 4 cats to end up dying if they eat that shit. Yo, what the fuck? Thought I just seen Reese's peanut butter cups. Fuck, someone else went down my road. Who the fuck is that? Who is that? Who is it? Who the fuck is that at my front door? If it's the feds, oh no, 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 no. So don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Yeah. This is cool. I fuck with this. I fuck with this. It's cute. Very pretty pattern. Very pretty. And, as you know, soft inside. All of them have the softness. The shorts are soft. Yeah, they're good. And they have pockets on both sides, which is awesome. They have 2 pockets, these shorts. I have 2 pairs so far, 2 outfits of this. The pastel blue and this cheetah print. Yeah, so I fuck with this. I actually might wear this today. I'm not sure though. Oh, there goes that fucking dude again. In that fucking blue truck. I hate him. No, I really hate him. I don't like him. He's bad news. He is bad news. He's all over the neighborhood. He's like, everybody's talking about him in the neighborhood. Everybody's talking about him. It's bad. And it's bad talking about too. It's bad. Because he's not a good person. We knew that though. We've been knowing that from the start. He's really not nice. I'll kick his ass. I'm not afraid to beat a man's ass. I'm not afraid. What? Fuck. That's how it's supposed to look, I think. Yeah. This is cute. I'm excited to wear this outfit. It's from Target. My mom bought it the other day. Saturday. Saturday is when she bought this. The top is like... The top's $25. Yeah, so that's $25. It's a crop top. Yeah, it's a nice crop with these sleeves. I'm excited to wear this. I'm excited. We also have the matching bottoms, too. I don't know where the fuck they are. Here they are. Ow! My foot! Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Yeah. Yeah, so these are really cute. This skirt was, isn't it cute? It goes with the crop top. Yeah, it's cute. I love it. It's got this, oh, it's got slits. I didn't know it had slits. Yeah, it's got this little, yeah, those are cute. And it's by this brand, A New Day at Target. A New Day. A New Day. This was $25 too. So the whole entire outfit was like $50. $50 plus tax. A little bit of tax. So this will be This will be, super cute. I'm excited to wear that. I'm gonna look so cute. No, I really am gonna look cute though. I'm gonna look adorable. I'll be back. I gotta find a bra to wear with it. I gotta find a cute bra. This one. This one. I'm gonna wear this one. This bra is pretty cute. It's Nautica. This was from Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. It's from either one of them. I don't fucking know. Yeah, this is actually not too bad. That bra's gonna be pretty cute. And I want to wear some sexy underwear with this outfit too. I want to wear these. I want to wear these. These are gonna be. I like these. Those are nice. The brand is, I don't know. I ripped the tag off. I got mad. I want to see if this outfit's going to go good with these Crocs that my mom bought the other day for me, which came on, yeah, I don't even know when these came in the mail, honestly. I have no idea. But look. Yeah, they're not going to match. I already saw both colors. Yeah, these are not going to match. I got to wear something really cute. We got to wear something cute. Possibly the heels that I have right here. Possibly these. If someone didn't fuck with them. Honey, shut the fuck up. Honey, shut your bitch ass up. Hey! No. No, thank you. Yeah, we got them heels. I think they're cute. I think they're pretty cute. We're going to wear these with the outfit. So put these on my bed and get prepared. Yeah, these look really good. These are going to be so cute with that outfit in the bathroom that I have ready. That, the pink crop top and the pink skirt that I showed you. That actually might be cute with the heels. That actually might be cute. Because the color black goes good with anything. It does. It's for a fact. Black goes good with every color. It's really pretty. Ah, fuck, I almost slipped and died. Shit. Shut up, honey. I'm going to beat your ass. I'm going to fucking eat your ass, bitch. I need to get a man. Yo, when I get a man, I'm going to eat his ass. And then we can be switching and shit. Both of us are going to fucking be eating each other's ass. I don't know. Maybe we are, maybe we won't. If he's not in the ass eating, I'm not going to force him. Because ass eating can be gross at times. It really can. Fuck. Honey, shut the fuck up. Damn it. Honey, shut up. The fuck wrong with you? Okay, that's it. I'm not going. I'm kidding. I'm still going. The mascara wants to fucking be a hard ass. It wants to be a hard ass. Does not want to come off all the way. I do not have makeup wipes at the moment because people steal my shit. And that's for a fun fact. People steal my shit all the time. I get mad about it. I try to fight them and shit. I try to beat their ass. Oh, my ass looks super cute today. No, it's in the shape of a fucking square, kinda. Damn, what happened to my ass? I used to have a really big ass. What happened to it? Let me know what happened to it. Fuck. Oh, yeah. That's the necklace that Johnny got me. My worker Johnny got me that necklace from Earthbound. Earthbound is a really good store. If you've never been there, you need to go. Earthbound. Planet Earth and Bound. They have crystals and shit. Yeah, they have really cool fucking shit there. Bracelets. Crystal bracelets with a bunch of different crystals. Amethyst. Rose quartz. Fuck. Obsidian. The black stone. The black, crystal. The black crystal. Which is, like, to help protect you, I think. Against bad, evil shit. Yeah, so they have that. Other shit, too. Yeah, so I love my outfits. Fucking nice. Both of them. Both of my outfits. This. I'm going to wear that Wednesday, tomorrow. I'm going to actually wear that tomorrow because why the fuck not? Let me check the temperature tomorrow. I'm going to make sure that... I haven't taken these fucking earrings out in fucking weeks. About a year. They're gross. But you're grosser. Fuck. Ew. Motherfucker. Ew. Motherfucker. Yeah. No. I need water. Holy fuck, I need a bottle of water. It's hot. I think the heat's on in here. Or maybe I'm being too hyper and I'm causing myself to get hot. Because I have ADHD probably. I probably have ADHD. Definitely autism. Depression. Anxiety. Mood swings. About to have another mood swing in a minute if I don't find a bottle of water. Damn, there's fucking none. Only this. Bro, that's fucking drinking. I still have frozen ones in here. Shit. Damn, are these all fucking drinking? Huh? Here we go. Frozen, Pure Life. Oh, that feels actually good. That's going to cool me down in like within a few minutes. Put like 10 of them on my body. Then I will be chilled. I will be chilled.